Hi, I'm Rhonda, and this is Challenging Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making a very delicious tuna casserole. It's not like your grandma used to make. It's gonna be great, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Here are the items that you're going to need. You're going to need a casserole dish, a can of peas drained, a can of Albacore Tuna, rinsed and drained, cream of mushroom, some Ritz crackers, and some French fried onions. This is a recipe that comes together quick and easy, and that's what we're looking for. Also, it can be very budget friendly. You don't have to use Albacore. I like the Albacore, so I prefer to use this one. Now let's get assembling. Since it's just my husband and myself, this is going to be smaller. You can definitely double the recipe. And once you taste how good this is, you're going to want to do that. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to crumble just a little bit of Ritz cracker on the bottom. Just a little layer. We're just going to layer this. A little bit of the soup. A little bit of our Albacore tuna. This is so good. I didn't like the other tuna casseroles that had potato chips. I just found it really, really salty. So I said, well, let's try it with some Ritz crackers. See how that turns out. And I've been making it ever since. I think I've been making this for 20 plus years now. Really good. Now then, gonna crunch up some of that French fried onion. Really good flavor. A little bit more of our soup. Our tuna. Some more peas. More of our crackers. Some more tuna. Pat that down a little bit. Oh, doesn't this look good already? Just gonna top that off with the rest of this can. Some more of our onion. Just crunched up on top. So good. A little bit more of the Ritz. Mixes really nice with that French onion. Into the oven it goes at 350 for about 30 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly. Now, how quick and easy was that? It was perfect, wasn't it? It didn't take too long to assemble or cook, and you've got dinner ready. Awesome. Thank you so much for stopping by Challenging Kitchen today. Give this recipe a try. Let me know how you like it. I'm sure it's going to be a staple in your household from here on out. Thank you so much. Don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. God bless.